엄마 이거 먹고. 짠.
맛있어, 맛있어.
Please place item in the bagging area.
So, welcome to class. Or I do a thing where I'm going to write it down right here. Basically, what I want to know is your name, and then I want.
뜨거워서 한쪽 잡아야 돼.